precautions that are required. So you can see that I have a huge pile of books, and yes, it is happening, the unboxing of Flipkart books. I have one Amazon book that I'll open in the last, others all are Flipkart books, and I have waited till a very long time, and अभी भी कुछ बुक्स ट्रांजिट में है, पर आई हैव ऑर्डर्ड फ्यू मोर बुक्स विद देम. सो और भी थोड़े बहुत बुक्स मैं ऑर्डर करने का सोच रही हूँ. सो मे बी इट विल हैपन दैट आई विल मेक अ पार्ट 2 ऑफ अनबॉक्सिंग video. So yeah, I thought without waiting more I should unbox these because इनकी dates जा रही है and return नहीं होंगे. इनमें से काफ़ी books की dates तो जा चुकी है क्योंकि मैंने ये बिग बिलियन डेज में ख़रीदा था, एंड उसके बाद दिवाली सेल आया, उनमें भी मैंने कुछ बुक्स बाय करे, एंड या अभी वापस से सेल स्टार्ट हुआ है आज से. आप ये बुक्स ज़रूर खरीद सकते हैं, एंड इस वाले सेल के प्राइसेस बहुत अच्छे आए हैं. जैसा कि हम सब जानते हैं कि इस बार सेल प्राइसेस इतने अच्छे नहीं थे कंपैरिजन टू लास्ट ईयर, बिकॉज आई हैव सीन वीडियोस ऑफ लिबरो रिव्यू आंचल्स, एंड उन्होंने काफ़ी अच्छे डील्स में बुक्स खरीदे थे लास्ट ईयर, बट इस साल इतना अच्छा सेल नहीं था. सो या दिस इज़ व्हाट आई हैव गॉट, एंड मैंने एक सेल में ऑर्डर नहीं करे हैं, मैंने बहुत सारे सेल्स को मिला के ये ऑर्डर करा है, एंड मैं इतने दिनों से वेट कर रही हूँ. इसमें से कुछ बुक्स तो रिटर्न भी नहीं जा सकते अब, ना ही एक्सचेंज हो सकते हैं. सो दीज आर माइन ओनली. तो या विदाउट एनी फर्दर अडू लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड विद द वीडियो. तो हम एक एक करके अनबॉक्सिंग करना स्टार्ट करेंगे, एंड या सबसे पहले मैं ये बॉक्सेस ओपन कर लेती हूँ ताकि ये व्यू से हट जाए, एंड एक बार के लिए मैं इनको नीचे कर देती हूँ. सो या आई ओपन दीज फर्स्ट, एंड this is my table on which I'm going to open. This is my study table. So here is my Astra and Shastra, and I'm going to open with this all the books. So let's start with this package because I have only 4 cardboard wala box and others are all plastic wrappers. So let's start without any further ado. I'm really excited, and these are at my place from 3 weeks, and I wanted to open these but I stopped myself. So yeah, if you are a book lover then you'll know how difficult it is to stop yourself from opening the parcels. So okay, I'm really excited for all the books that I have got. So first book that I have got is The Palace of Illusions from Chitra Banerjee, and it retails for 450 rupees. Here it is written that I got for 95. I'm sure I got for more than that, but whatever the price will be, I'll leave a screenshot on the screen so you will know how much I have got it. And yeah, this is a pretty book. All over the Instagram or over the Bookstagram, this book is such a famous book, and I was craving to get this book from a very long time, but was not able to get this, but finally I got this. And yeah, let's open this. Everybody is talking about this book, so I just want कि book damage ना हो. That is all that I want. And pirated ना हो. पिछली बार काफ़ी बुक्स मुझे pirated मिली थी, and तब तक सेल ख़त्म हो गई थी, तो मैंने जब रिटर्न करी उसके बाद मुझे खरीदने का मौका नहीं मिला. This is an original book, and yeah, if I have got this for 95 rupees, then this is a steal deal. So yeah, this is such a pretty thick book, and I was wanting this book from a very long time. Iska cover is so beautiful. I loved it. And smell of a new book is so good. Okay, this is my first book. Now I'll quickly open all the books because I'll keep blabbering otherwise. Also last time मतलब पिछली बार जब सेल आया था तब I have uploaded one video of unboxing. So if you haven't watched that video, I'll leave the link in the description box. You can go and get some recommendations from that video also. So yeah, I hope that video will be as helpful as this video. So I wanted all of the books from a very long time, and I have many books still in my wish list, which I'll get very soon. But these are books which I'm wanting from the last sale when I was not able to get my hands on these books. So yeah, finally they are here, and I wanted to read them and I was waiting for these. Okay, The next book is The Silent Patient, and yeah, it is an original copy, and this is how it looks like. This is also a book which everybody is talking about, and this is a thriller book, I think so. So yeah, I was waiting for this book. Yeah, this is a thriller based book, and I wanted to read this book from a very long time. Finally I got my hands on this, and now I cannot wait to read this. So this retails for, I think, 400. No, the MRP has not. Yeah, this is for 400, but I got for 140, I guess. So there was a good deal. Not that less, but yeah, it was a good deal. The next book, I have got one bookmark in this. So yeah, uh, no, I have got two bookmarks. Okay, I got this book for 190 and this book for 170. This is the Namesake from Jhumpa Lahiri. I have heard a lot about this book, and being a Bengali, I wanted to read this book from a very long time, and finally I got it, and I got it on a very good price. So yeah, this is how it looks like, and so I wanted to read it, and finally I got it. This is also a original copy. This is not a pirated, and it retails for 350, but I got for 172. So yeah, finally the next box, I think there is only one book in this. This time the deals were not great, but I was saving from a very long time and I was not buying any book. So the prices, the books which were normally for 250, if it was for 170 also, I got them, because कुछ नहीं से कुछ सही वाला चीज है. Okay, so this is also a book which I wanted to read. This is the book called Murder on the Orient Express from Agatha Christie. This is how it looks like. Such a pretty book. This is also an original book, and it retails for 299, but I got for 160, so it was a good deal. Yeah, it was a good deal, and yeah, this is how beautiful it looks like. I want to read all of these books very soon. If you want a review of any of these books, please leave a comment, and I will be reviewing it for you guys. So yeah, okay. Oh, I have 4 books in this. I like this parcel because it has collective of 4 books. I don't know why Flipkart makes so many parcels. Why they cannot give single parcel in which all the books are there. Such a waste of paper, plastic, and a lot of things. So yeah, it is good to give a single parcel in which all the books are there, and also we don't have to wait for so many days for one book. Every day one book was coming or 2 book was coming. It is such irritating to wait like that. So this is a book by Vikrant Khanna, the girl who knew too much. So this is how it looks like. I wanted to read this book, and it is a original book. It retails for 175, but I got for 61 rupees, so it is a steal deal, and I wanted to get this book from a very long time. I wanted to read this book because I heard my friend talking about this. So yeah, and it was rated 4.2 or 4 on Flipkart. So yeah, this is a book I wanted to read. The next book is a small book. I just don't want to damage my book. In the last video, I got a comment that you don't know how to open a plastic. This is a book named Man's Search for Meaning by Victor, and it says 12 million copies are sold. Man's Search for Meaning. This is also a very famous book. The font is very small though, but yeah, it is a small book. You can see it is a very small book, as I always say, literally my palm size, and it retails for 299 and I got for 120. So yeah, definitely a good buy. and I wanted this book, so yeah, I got it. The next two books are spiritual books, and I don't know, I have two books by Sadhguru. So yeah, I love his writings and I love his books. But I have read only one book, which is a flip one, and I have also shared it on my Instagram many times. That is emotions and relationship wala books. So that is two in one book. So you can definitely get that. And this is a book named Flowers on the Path by Sadhguru. And this is how beautiful it looks like. So this retails for 150 and I got it for 80 rupees. Decent purchase, and yeah, this is a very good book. So if I'm getting it for 80 rupees, then worth it hai. And I love Sadhguru's every book, so was eagerly waiting for this. And I want his other books also in my collection. So yeah, I personally love what Sadhguru says, and I also got 4 bookmarks. Okay, this is the last book in the box and the thickest amongst all. Oh no, I think I damaged my book. I know I make faces while opening the parcels, but nothing to do. This is a autobiography of Yogi. This is how it looks like. I heard Beer Biceps Ranveer Alabadia talking about this book, so I wanted to get this book. And yeah, it is an original book and it retails for 199 and I got it for 68 rupees. Wow. So yeah, definitely get your hands on this if you like non-fictions. This is a definitely worth reading book. Such a thick book. I absolutely love this book, and yeah, want to read this. And the font is okay, the paper quality is okay. For 68 rupees, what I can expect more. So this is all the books I got from that boxes. Now let's open these. Okay, now I'll open these. The first one is a thick one. I think there are 2 books. So let's open this. I just don't want to damage this. Why Flipkart has packed this so stiffly? I don't know. Okay. I think this is not a original copy. I can see it from outside only, because yeah, because I ordered something different and I have received something different. Although the pages looks decent and the print is also good, but whenever you get a book and if you want to know how we can find out that it is a pirated one or not, so you can see that the image or the print of the front cover is going here, like it is going in some other direction. So it is not the original copy. Also, Who Moved My Cheese, I have the original book of this and I know how it looks, and it did not look like this. I have the original book on my bookshelf, so it is not an original copy, I can tell you. And also the paper quality is not good. You can see like how bad the quality is. So definitely going to return. I hope it is still returnable. And yeah, I'm very disappointed by this. I keep it here. Okay, the next parcel. I hope the other books are original, because I don't want a pirated copy. Okay, this I received yesterday only, and I have kept this for sanitization purpose. So this is Animal Farm from George Orwell, and this is the classic book, and it is a classic one, but I again think this is a pirated book. I need to return this also. The pages and the ink is fading, and the ink is not good. The writing is going somewhere in the other direction. I am disappointed now. This is for 125 and I got for 70 rupees, I guess. So yeah, why Flipkart? Why? Now I'm very nervous to open other parcels because I don't want any other pirated books. This is the problem with the sale, that you can get pirated books. Okay, so the next book, yeah, these are original. I so wanted to read this book. Bit dirty, but I can work with this. So yeah, these were a combo, and yeah, this is the sun and her flowers, and the combo of milk and honey. So these are all over Instagram, and books is Rupi Kaur, and she is such a controversial writer. I so wanted to give my opinion on these as well, so I got these, and yeah, I am eagerly waiting to read these. But these are so pretty, and there are illustrations also in this. These are basically poetry books, both. So yeah, I am waiting to read this. Okay, the next book, the book name is Poetic. Such pretty book it is. It is a literary criticism book, and it is a classic book, so I wanted to read this. I got this for 100 rupees. This was for 150 rupees. So yeah, no worries. I got off. So I got it. The next book. Okay. So this is a book by Sarat Chandra Chattopadhyay, and it is named as Pariniti. Actually, there is a movie in Bengali named as Pariniti, and after watching that movie, I wanted to read this book. This is an original book, and it retails for 75 rupees, and I got for 60 rupees. So goodbye, thin book, and I wanted to read this, so that's the reason I got it, and it is a pretty book. Not many people have talked about it, but as being a Bengali, I know it, and I wanted to read this. I got it, and yeah, I want to read it. I hope it is a good book. Also, it was rated 4 only on Flipkart, so I got it. Okay, the next book, I am again saying, if you want any reviews on any book, please let me know. I'll definitely make a review. The next book is Beyond Good and Evil. This is a classic book, and yeah, this retails for 125 and I got for 82 rupees. So yeah, it is a classic book, not so thin, not so thick book, and I wanted to have classics in my collection, so I got this, and yeah, I'm happy about it. Okay, now we have reached till the end. So yeah, the next book. Oh, it is packed pretty well. I like this packaging. I don't like these packaging, the plastic ones, but I like this packaging more. Okay. Okay. It is a national bestseller. I wanted to put that out first. This is a book named as Lady, You Are Not a Man, and it is by Apurva Purohit. The Adventures of Woman at Work. I wanted to read this. It is not a very talk about book, but I wanted to read it. It is a self-help and non-fiction category book, and yeah, it is very pretty. The pages are of okay quality, but it is original, I feel. This retails for 250 and I got it for 150. So yeah, nice book, and read the blurb. So yeah, I wanted to have this book in my collection and I got it. The next book came in this very big parcel, and the book is this small. So you know how much plastic is being wasted and how much plastic is being used by Flipkart. Please do something, Flipkart. Okay, the next. So this is the quick and easy way to effective speaking. This is how it looks like. And this is also a non-fiction book, and if I got it for 72 rupees. Yeah, this is a oh, I have received a bookmark also. Yeah, nice one. Okay, let me open the last parcel, which is the only parcel remaining from Amazon, because I have opened all the other ones, because I don't know what the policies are on Amazon and what will be the return thing. So I opened all them, and yeah, I don't want it that if pirated books are coming, then I'll not be able to return, because I don't buy many books from there. So yeah, the next book is Love, Hope and Magic by Ashish Bagrecha. I hope I'm pronouncing it right, but this is how it looks like, and it was pre-ordered, so I got author signed thing, and yeah, there is a bookmark as was said. And I don't know about all these books when I will read them, but this is a book I'll read first from books, because I was waiting to open this from a very long time and I stopped myself. So yeah, I love Ashish Bagrecha's previous book, which was Dear Stranger, I Know How You Feel. So I was waiting for this book from a very, very long time, and I pre-ordered. So I have waited a long time, and it is lying at my place from 2 weeks. So yeah, finally it is here, and I'll be reading this now. And I did not mention how much it was for. It is originally for 300 rupees, but I got it for 239 rupees, and this is a new release, so I think it is worth it, and I don't mind paying it the price. So yeah, I got it, and on the card it says, if you have given darkness, you'll also be gifted with stars. So yeah, at letter is also there. It says, Dear stranger, I hope you inhale poetry and exhale pain. I hope you inhale love and exhale magic, love and light. A stranger who feels you. And then he has signed this also. So yeah, I was waiting for this, and finally I'll be able to read this, and definitely I'll review this on my Instagram first, and if you want to review here, let me know in the comments. I'll definitely review this. So I got few bookmarks and these many books. So yeah, this is how it looks like, and I'm happy with all the purchase. Sorry for the kachras that you are seeing in this frame. I hope you liked my video. If you liked my video, please hit the like button. Also share it with your family and friends. And don't forget to subscribe my channel if you haven't already. And till then, take care. Take care of your family. Take care of yourselves. And part 2 is coming really soon. Till then, bye-bye. आज बहुत दूर है कैमरा.